Okay, in previous session what we have covered is we have covered what is a pointer. Okay, pointer is a variable which stores the address of a variable of same data type. What it means is it's a like if you are having a pointer of type integer star ptr, it can store a address of either I or j. If you have a character c, it will not be able to store the address of character c. Okay, and you can initialize the pointer statically using ptr equal to ampersand of j. This will give the address of any variable. So this is a same condition where you will be using a scanf. Okay, when you want to take a input from the user, you will be doing scanf percentage d comma ampersand of I. So ampersand of I you are giving because you are giving address where that value should be stored. Okay, that is the reason we will be using ampersand of I or ampersand of c in scanf. So coming to pointer arithmetic, which we covered in last session. So pointer arithmetic is nothing but when you increment pointer by 1 using plus plus or plus 1. So it will increment its address based on the size of a data type. If it is a character, it will increment by 1. If it is a short, it will increment by 2. If it is a integer, it will increment by 4. If it is a double, it will increment by 8. That we have covered here, and you can always see as an output. Okay, see here, if the character is there, then it's after 9 it is a. If it's a short, okay, see this is nothing but c, it has incremented by 2. If it is a integer, it has incremented by 4. If it is a double, it is incremented by 8. Okay, so now, and always you can see pointer p, percentage p will be used to print the address. That you should remember when you want to print. So what we'll do is we'll go next with what is a correlationship between pointer and arrays. Okay, arrays and pointers are interchangeably used. Okay, let us say, okay, so we are having a integer pointer star ptr, and we are having a array of 10 elements. Maybe you can say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. Okay, I have initialized it directly itself instead of taking from the user. So what we can do, so what if you want to initialize the address of a, if you want to point this pointer to array, so you can just use percentage, sorry, instead of percentage you'll be just using a. Why? Because as I have mentioned earlier in array session, array name will give starting address of array. That is why you will not use ampersand for it. Okay, and you can print using pointer itself. Okay, we can see how you can do it. Percentage d. Okay, if you want ptr of 3. Okay, what it is? It is nothing but the fourth element. You can always see fourth element of array. What is this? 4. You can just see what it is printing. 4. Okay. You can always see what is this. So you can always use pointer with replacement of, instead of array you can use a pointer. Okay. You can always use again, if you want to use a, you can always use star, okay, content of a plus 3. This is nothing but percentage d. It is star content of a is the address plus what you are doing, you are doing 3. Okay, so what it will print, you can see. See, PTR of I is nothing but in this case 3. Okay, PTR of 3 is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. Array index will start from 0. That is why if you want to print PTR of 3, it will give the fourth element. Okay, 4. And we can always interchangeably write it. Okay, what it means, A is the address and you will add plus 3 to it and you are printing a content of it. So it is same as equivalent to how you are using for a pointer. Okay, pointer also you can take it as same. Okay, star PTR plus 3. So you can always print pointer also like that. PTR of 3. This is nothing but percentage D. You can just check, all are same. You can either use PTR of 3 star A plus 3 or star PTR of PTR plus 3. All are same. It will point to the same thing. So if you just assign an address of a pointer array, address of a array to pointer, you can traverse array without any condition. You can just, if you want to print any data, you can print using the pointer. And this is how you will be doing array of 3. So what it gives, it is a array address and it is pointing to fourth element and it is printing the value PTR of 3. So if you want to use a pointer, so A will give a starting address and you are indicating A of 3. So it is nothing but it is pointing to the fourth element of our array. You can always see again. Okay, so how usually you will be printing the array, same you can use it. Array of 3 is equal to percentage d slash n. So all are different variants of it. Okay, all are pointing to the same thing and it will give the same result. You should understand how to use it. Okay, I think we had missed something here. Okay, we have given wrongly. Now you can just see. Yeah, see, PTR of 3 is same, A of 3 is same, star A plus 3. Okay, this means address, array address will give the starting address of the array plus 3. So if you give A of 0, it will point to the first element, A of 3 will point to the fourth element. Same you are using pointer, PTR plus 3. So again it is pointing to the same thing. And A of 3, as usual, when you are printing array, you will be using like this. Okay. If you want to do a calculation, you can always use PTR, okay, plus 3, okay, plus star a of which one you want. You want at the 7th location, you can use 7th, okay. So you can store that as PTR of 9, which is nothing but last element, A of 9, and print it. Printf, what we can do is we can take this and we can modify it to see some of this, okay. See, what is this? A of 9 we are printing, A of 3 we are printing, then A of 7, what is that? And then we'll be printing A of 9. You can print A of 9 here also, and you can print A of 9 here also. But when you are doing, you need to make sure you are changing here also, because this is where it will take A of 9, then PTR of 9. So what I am doing here, token 72. Okay, here we have given an extra, that is why, okay, it is not extra here, it is extra here. Okay. See here, what we are doing, we are taking A of 3 plus A of 7. What it is giving? A of 3 plus A of 7. A of 3 is nothing but 4. A of 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is nothing but 12. You can either print using PTR plus 9 star of PTR plus 9. This will give you address plus 9 and then star and A of 9. Both are same. So this is how the pointer arithmetic is used. That is why we have covered in earlier session how to use a pointer arithmetic. Hope it has clarified your doubts. In next session we will see few more examples so that it will you will get clarified on arithmetic, pointer arithmetic, and how arrays and pointers can be interchangeably used. Thank you.